Hey guys, Ride Pro back again, another bike for sale. Here we have a 2007 on the Goldwing Trike. This is burnt orange in color. I think they call it a cognac. Beautiful bike here, beautiful bike. A lot of chrome accessories here. It has the easy steer, ring of fire. Lower fairing is painted to match. This one's done right. Nice running boards, passenger footrest, custom seat, really nice black felt on it. Not quite sure what that is, but it's really nice. Maybe a different angle would help. This Trike's in excellent condition. I don't see a whole lot of imperfections on it. Anything I do see, I'll point out as always. Motor Trike wheels look great. Again, super clean. And this bike also has very low miles. Tires are in great shape. I don't know what I'd call that. It's definitely a nice and soft material there. Floorboards. Has some custom footrest here. Big pieces of thick foam. Makes it incredibly comfortable to put your foot on when you're riding down the road. I thought that was a very good idea. Wish they all came that way. CB radio, cruise control, air ride as always on these motor trikes. Excellent conditions. Bike has very low miles as well. 39,851. 39,851. This is a 2007 model. I'll go ahead and start it up since I'm here. This bike does have aftermarket exhaust. Some LEDs there. Orange air wings to match it all. Ring of fire. Beautiful bike. Again, 2007 Goldwing here. Any questions about shipping this bike or getting it home, feel free to call us. We ship bikes out of here all the time. Shipping rates start at $300 and they go up from there. This just depends on where you live, so we'll need your zip code to get you an accurate quote. Let's go ahead and listen to this exhaust for a minute. When's the last time you heard a Goldwing sound like that? Bike runs and rides excellent. If you're gonna ask me what kind of exhaust is on it, I will not know. I can tell you that it's a good one. Another option for getting the bike home is flying into Tampa Bay International. We'll pick you up. You can ride her home. The bike's been serviced and it's ready to go. Nice clean windshield there. A lot of chrome pieces on this bike. Love these floorboards. There's the thick foam I was mentioning there. Again, very comfortable. Any questions, please call us. We're at 813-615-1700. Our website to see other bikes like this is www.myridepro.com. Nice little luggage rack here. It's in good shape. Ready to load it up and take a trip. Spikes. Sounds great. It really does. Alright guys. 2007 Goldwing with a motor trike kit. Thanks for watching.